Hey, let's face it, we all have a toilet in the house and we all want it to work right. If your toilet is kicking on and off periodically, refilling, it's because typically the flapper has gone bad. So we're gonna go real quick through here. How do you replace the flapper? It's relatively simple and really no tools are needed. Take off the top, and when you look down inside, you're gonna see the flapper. And typically what you're gonna find is the old one has warped and twisted like that. So just reach in and remove it, and it's so simple. It's just got little tabs that pull off of the tips in the bottom there. Undo the clasp, and you're done with that one. Now, one of the things that will really make those go bad quick is if you're dropping chlorine tablets into your tank in order to keep the toilet clean. You'll burn those things up, these rubber stoppers up, every year, year and a half, and have to replace it. But the fortunate thing, they cost about $2. They're not expensive. So reach down in and just click it back down onto those little tips that are down there. And then you gotta hook up the hook again. And what you're gonna find is in your handle lever, there's little holes. And you just choose whichever hole gives you the best distance for picking it up. Now, I have excess chain on this one that I'm gonna wanna cut off because you don't want it to get stuck underneath the flapper and then your toilet's running again. But it's relatively simple. You can just take a pair of pliers or side cutters and clip that chain off and you're done.